In this brief demo, we will show how you can use Studio 3T's Visual Query Builder to build complex queries for document databases, and then how you can use query code to instantly translate your queries to a variety of useful languages. Drag and drop a value to use it as a criterion for your query. Drop the value in the query section of Visual Query Builder. As you build your query, the criteria also appear in the Collection Query section. Click Run to find movies from 1999. Let's add an OR group to our find criteria. Drag and drop a value to use as a criterion in the OR group. We will use this value to complete the clause, filtering for PG-13 or PG films. Click Run to filter these 1999 movies for only PG-13 or PG rated. Drag and drop any value from a field you want to use for projection. Drop it in the projection section of Visual Query Builder. Change the option to exclude the ID field. Click Run. Drag and drop a value to use as another criterion in the query section. We will change the operator for this filter. Let's also change the value. We'll filter for movies with more than 9 wins. Drag and drop any value from a field you want to sort on. Drop the value in the Sort section of Visual Query Builder. Click Run. Without writing any code, we have now run a query with complex find criteria, also using projection to remove the ID field, and sorting by the number of awards won. Click Query Code to view the complete query. You can choose from a variety of useful languages to instantly translate your query. Want to try out Visual Query Builder and query code in Studio 3T? Visit studio3t.com for a free trial.